look at a sagittal section of our color-coded brain and some major parts you can see. That's the cerebellum. All of this is the cerebrum. This little bulgy part right here is called the pons. Posterior to the pons is the midbrain. Part of the midbrain, you got two little bumps right here. There's two on one side and two on the other, so there are 4 bumps. It's called the corpora quadrigemina. Quadra is 4. And the corpora quadrigemina is made up of 2 superior bumps. This is a superior colliculus. And there are 2 inferior bumps called the inferior colliculus. Some other parts that you can see quite easily. That's the corpus callosum. Above the corpus callosum is a cingulate gyrus. If you follow the corpus callosum around, it turns into this part. This is called the fornix. Posterior part of the fornix, you have the pineal gland. This area right in here is a thalamus. And a little central area holds the right thalamus to the left one. It's called the intermediate mass of the thalamus. Anterior and inferior to the thalamus, you have the hypothalamus. That's pituitary gland. There are spaces in the brain called ventricles. This is the lateral ventricle. Around the thalamus is a space called the third ventricle. Cerebral spinal fluid flows from the third ventricle through the cerebral aqueduct into the fourth ventricle.